In previous lesson, we saw how we can use the health API to check on our cluster's health. Okay. Now we can use the same API at different levels. In this exercise, we will check the health of an index or multiple indexes or all the indexes in our cluster. And let me show you how we can do it. So let's open the terminal. Let's first check the health of one of our index we created. Okay, and we can use the curl command. Again, this will be get command, address of our Elasticsearch cluster. Then this is cluster, then followed by cluster keyword and health. Okay, and I want to know the health of, let's say, the VG index we created earlier. Okay, and let's print it in a pretty format. Enter. Okay, so it shows that we have an index called VG which has 5 active primary shards. Okay, and there's no relocating shards, they are unassigned shards. So this is for replica. Okay, and overall the status is yellow, so all the data about this index is located on one node and one data node. Okay, which is the case in our single node setup. Now let's see if we want to check multiple indexes in one command, how we can do it. So it will be pretty much same command. Okay, so we can specify the index names followed by a comma. Okay, and you can specify as many as you want. For now, let's just take 2 of these and print them in pretty format. So again, as you notice, the active primary shards number has increased from 5 to 10 because at the moment we are looking at status about 2 different indexes and both are having 5 primary shards, so total is 10 shards, and both of them are using one data node and the status is yellow. Okay, now what if we want to see all the indices created in our cluster? Okay, so we can check their health as well. So let's do it. Go minus xget. Okay, so here we will specify level equal to indices. Okay, instead of specifying the name of an index or multiple indices, we want to know all the indices. So that's why we will use the flag level equal to indices. Enter. As you can see, it has printed information about all the indices we have, and I have about 82 indices on my machine, so it is printing information about all those 82 indices. Okay, all right, so this is about looking at the cluster's health at the index level. Next, I'll show you how to do the same for the shards. Okay, I'll see you in the next class.